So these are all the pieces that will come out of the dishwasher, and you know what they look like. This is where they go. So these pieces go in each other and go into the corner under the Nespresso sign. This is them. Then we have this goes into the bottom. This is the square thing. You've got the two holes, and you've got the rounded tops of the straws, the double straw. Just push those in. Then you have the silver, and it covers where the milk comes out. And you basically just, there you go, turn it until it goes in. And then you have this black looking thing, and it's another turn until you find it. There you go. And it's in. Then this goes right here. Actually, it goes in here first. And then that goes right there. And if you need it, this little guy sits right there. That's it.